Hello guys, I am Harun and it's your YouTube channel Harun Biozone. Today, this is the video number 1 from the chapter Digestion and Absorption. Here, I will discuss 25 very important and conceptual MCQ question that helps you a lot to solve the NEET problem. So, don't be late. Let's go. The first question of this video is the alimentary canal of herbivorous differ from carnivorous. Herbivorous means herb eating plant, that is vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Vegetarian. So in this question, the question wants to know what is the difference between herbivorous alimentary canal and carnivorous alimentary canal. So in case of herbivore alimentary canal, the alimentary canal is very long. Why? Because the herbs has low nutrition value and they absorb very slowly. But in case of carnivores, the alimentary canal is short because they eat meat which nutritious value is more. So it absorbs efficiently and more nutrition within a short tube. But in case of herbivorous, there is long tube because it absorbs very slow. It digests and absorbs very slowly. So herbivore differ from carnivore because herbivore has long alimentary canal due to slow process and less nutrition is obtained from any given mass of food. Food relative to the same mass of meat. Relative to the same mass of food. एक्चुअली यहाँ क्या होता है कि जो एलिमेंट्री कैनल हार्बिवोर का है वो लॉन्ग होता है. क्यों लॉन्ग होता है? बिकॉज दे ईट वेजिटेबल एंड द वेजिटेबल हैज लो न्यूट्रिशन वैल्यू देन सेम अमाउंट ऑफ मीट. सो दे absorb and digest these vegetables very slowly. But in case of carnivores, the alimentary canal is short because meat has high nutrition value and they digest and absorb it very fastly. Next question. Dental formula of human being. So in case of human being, there are two types of teeth. Dental teeth are two types, that is milk teeth and adult teeth. Milk teeth and adult teeth. In case of adult teeth, they are 32 in number, but in case of milk teeth, only 20 in number. So in case of adult teeth, there are two. This is 4 incisor. Total number is incisor 2. If you part this mouth into two sections, there is incisor 2, and there are canine. So canine is 1, incisor 2, inside these two are incisor. Okay, canine 1, premolar is 2 and molar is 3. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, there is 4 part. So 4 part, that means incisor 8, canine 4, 8 canine 4, premolar 8 and molar 12, total 32. But in case of milk teeth, the premolar is absent. So in case of milk teeth, there is incisor 2, canine 1, premolar 2. Okay, no, is molar absent. In case of milk teeth, molar is absent. So into 4, that means 4 means 1 part, 2 part, 3 part and 4 part. That is incisor 8, canine 4, premolar 8. So 20. So in case of dental formula of human being, there is 32 in number. B is the correct option. So here, if the question asks what is the dental formula of milk teeth or what is the formula of adult teeth, then you can easily write it. Okay. So what is the structural unit of teeth? Here the white portion of teeth is enamel and the brown portion is dentine and then pulp. In case in pulp, there is nervous system and blood vascular system is present. The outer white portion of the teeth is called enamel, and after enamel there is dentine is present, and within after dentine there is vascular area of the teeth are present. That is sensitive area. This pulp area is very sensitive area, and this teeth is tightly packed in jaw, tightly attached in jaw in the bone region. So it is called thecodont type. Thecodont type of teeth. Thecodont type of teeth. Okay, and there are 4 different type of teeth are present. So it is called heterodont. So in human being, there is different type of teeth are present. So human teeth is called heterodont, and these teeth are tightly packed in jaw. So it is called thecodont. Clear? Next question. Which of the following is correct? Okay. Paneth cells secrete pepsinogen. Parietal cells secrete hydrochloric acid. Argentine cell secrete mucus. Chip cell secrete gastrin. So here the correct option is parietal cell secrete hydrochloric acid in stomach. Okay, this hydrochloric acid then activate the enzyme pepsinogen to pepsin. This pepsin break down the protein into peptone. Pepsin break down protein into peptone. Clear? Here Paneth cell secrete alpha defensin and lysozyme when food are entered into the Paneth cell. Where Paneth cell present? In the microvilli region, brass border epithelium between two brass border epithelium. These Paneth cell are present. This Paneth cell secrete when the food enter into the intestine, the Paneth cell secrete lysozyme and alpha defensin that kill the bacteria or pathogen present in the food. Kill the bacteria. Kill the food bacteria. Food bacteria. Clear? Then argentafine cell. What is the function of argentafine cell? This is argentafine cell present between the epithelial layer of microvilli. In small intestine, there is microvilli, finger-like projection is present to increase the surface area of the small intestine. Within this region, that means this region, argentafine cell are present. Argentafine cell secrete serotonin. Argentafine cell secrete serotonin that help to movement of the bolus movement, that bowel movement, that peristalsis. Peristalsis means that is the contraction and relaxation of the alimentary canal muscle. So the food enter into the digestive system. Peristalsis. Clear? Peristalsis system को activate करते हैं कौन? Argentafine cell, thereby the secretion of serotonin. And chief cell. Chief cell is present in the fundus region of stomach. This is the fundus region of the stomach. Okay, fundus region. This fundus region, one type of cell, chief cell are present. Chief cell secrete pepsinogen. Chief cell also called parietal cell. Also called parietal cell. Parietal cell that secrete pepsinogen, inactivate enzyme pepsinogen in the presence of hydrochloric acid that secrete from parietal cell. This secret from parietal cell. So Paneth cell secrete lysozyme and alpha defensin that protect. Paneth cell क्या secrete करते हैं? Lysozyme and alpha defensin. This ये जो एंजाइम है वो एक्चुअली क्या करते हैं? अगर फूड में कोई बैक्टीरिया होगा, हार्मफुल बैक्टीरिया होगा, तो उस बैक्टीरिया को स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में किल करते हैं. और पैराइटल सेल कैसे करते हैं? पैराइटल, व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ पैराइटल सेल? पैराइटल सेल सीक्रेट दिस parietal cell or oxyntic cell. Parietal cell also called oxyntic cell. Oxyntic cell secrete hydrochloric acid. Okay, in stomach. जो hydrochloric acid actually क्या करते हैं? Create a acidic environment in the stomach. This acidic environment activate the pepsin, inactivate enzyme pepsinogen into pepsin. This pepsin convert protein into simple peptide that is peptone. And argentafine cells secrete serotonin that maintain the peristalsis or movement of the bolus. Next question, 4 number question. The common passage for bile and pancreatic duct. Common passage for bile and pancreatic duct. This is ampulla of Vater. This is duct of Wilson, ductus of Coledochus, and ductus of Santon. So here you can see this is gallbladder. Gallbladder that secrete bile salts. This is bile duct or cystic duct. Okay, this is left hepatic duct. The left hepatic duct, and this is right hepatic duct. This is right hepatic duct, and this is the common bile duct. What? Common bile duct. This is ductus coledochus, bile duct. Common hepatic duct. Common hepatic duct. And this is called ductus of Coledochus. Ductus of bile duct or cystic duct. ducts of, this is not the duct of the gallbladder, duct of gallbladder, duct of choledochus, that is called bile duct. Okay. This is pancreatic duct, or called duct of Wirsung, and this is called common hepatopancreatic duct. This is called hepatopancreatic duct. Hepatopancreatic duct. Okay. Here also present a accessory pancreatic duct. Also present accessory pancreatic duct. Duct. That is Santoni duct of Santoni. Okay. So here this ampulla of Vater, this black portion is called ampulla of Vater. Ampulla of Vater. Okay. So the common passage of bile and pancreatic duct is ampulla. Common passage of bile duct and pancreatic duct is ampulla of Vater. This is the common, where the pancreatic duct and the hepatic duct are open into the duodenum portion. It's called ampulla of Vater. Car portion ampulla of Vater. Duct of, what is called duct of choledochus? Duct of choledochus means, this is duct of choledochus, where gallbladder and liver duct are joined in the common passage. This is called duct of choledochus. What is duct of Wirsung? Duct of Wirsung, main pancreatic duct is called duct of Wirsung. What is duct of Santoni? Duct of Santoni means in the accessory duct present, accessory duct present in the pancreas and duodenum. This is called, this accessory duct of pancreas is called duct of Santoni. I think you completely understand this question. Next question, Saccus entericus is secret. Saccus entericus, intestinal juice. What is Saccus entericus? Saccus entericus is intestinal juice. Intestinal juice that secret in the small intestines. So here the correct option is crypts of liver cone. Crypts of liver cone is the correct option. Crypts of liver cone. So what is Aurobax plexus? Brunner's gland, pairs of patches, where these are present. So what is the crypts of liver cone? Crypts of liver cone is present. Crypts of liver cone is the submucous of duodenum. This is the transverse section, TS section, TS of alimentary canal. So here the four layer is present. So outer layer is called serosa, and then the muscular and longitudinal canal, longitudinal muscles are present. That is called muscularis. This region is called this from this to this. This region called muscularis. In muscularis region, there are two type of muscles are present. The outer muscle is longitudinal muscle, and an inner layer is circular muscle. Okay, the Aurobax plexus or myenteric plexus, also called myenteric plexus, is present between the longitudinal and circular, between longitudinal Orbital plexus present between longitudinal and circular muscle circular muscle of muscularis layer. Okay, and the Brunner's gland. Where is the Brunner's gland is present? Brunner's gland are located in the submucosa of the duodenum. Brunner's gland also present in the submucosa region, third layer of alimentary canal. This is called submucosa layer. This is called submucosa. The third layer of alimentary canal is submucosa layer. Second layer is muscularis layer. So submucosa layer secrete alkaline secretions. Alkaline fluid with mucus that neutralize the acidic environment that come from stomach. The alkaline fluid neutralize the alkaline acidic environment that come from the stomach. Clear? And the crypts and the pairs of patches present in the and pair of patches except lymphatic tissue. Pairs of patches are lymphatic tissue that secrete IgA antibody and cytokine. Okay. So Orbach plexus is a myenteric plexus that present in the muscularis layer between longitudinal and circular muscle. Brunner's gland present in the submucosa region. This submucosa region where it secrete alkaline fluid with mucus that protect the small intestine from acidic environment. Clear? Number 3 is pair of patches. Pair of patches is a lymphatic tissue that is present in the submucosa layer and secrete IgA and cytokinin. IgA and cytokinin. Okay, that protect stimulate our immune system in the presence of antigen. And crypts and liver cone that is present between the microvilli and secrete succus entericus or intestinal juice. Succus entericus or intestinal juice. And Orbach plexus also regulate peristalsis waves. Regulate peristalsis wave. Okay. Next question. Match the column 1 with column 2. The goblet cell secrete mucus. Okay, in digestive system. The lysozyme is an antibacterial agent. An oxyntic cell is secrete hydrochloric acid in stomach. Saliva secrete from sublingual gland. So 2 on 4-3. B is the correct option. Next question. Identify the correct set which shows the name of the enzymes from where it is secreted and substrate upon which it acts. The substrate means protein, lipid and carbohydrate. So this is the name of the enzyme and this is the substrate. This is substrate and from where source. So pepsin stomach wall, that is pepsin secrete from the chief cell of fundus of the stomach that converts that secretes pepsin, stomach wall and casein. So correct option is pepsin, stomach wall, casein. Casein is a milk protein that coagulate by renin. That renin secreted from chief cell. Okay. Ptyalin, intestinal. Ptyalin from saliva. Ptyalin is salivary enzyme. Saliva of mouth. So here the wrong answer, maltose. Maltose means boiled sugar, boiled starch. Okay. Chymotrypsin. Chymotrypsin is a protein digestive enzyme that secrete from small intestine, and this chymotrypsin act on protein digestive enzyme, and lactose is disaccharide. That is disaccharide made by glucose and galactose. Made by glucose and galactose is digested by amylase enzyme. Okay, amylase enzyme converted to glucose and galactose monosaccharide. Ptyalin is salivary amylase, not in mouth. Act on carbohydrate. So here the correct option is pepsin that secrete from the stomach wall. Okay, stomach wall means fundus region. In the fundus region of stomach that convert milk protein casein into simpler form by secretion of enzyme renin. Next question, what is cholecystokinin? Cholecystokinin is a gastrointestinal hormone. Cholecystokinin is a gastrointestinal hormone. Cholecystokinin secrete during it stimulate the secretion of pancreas. Stimulate the secretion of pancreatic juice and contract the gallbladder to secrete bile salts. What is the component of bile salt? Bile salt is the component of sodium glycolate and sodium taurocolate. Okay, that emulsified the fat. That means they break down the fat into small structure. This is called emulsification. Okay, this is the gastrointestinal hormone. 9 number question, which of the following are proteolyte? Proteolyte means protein digestive enzyme. So here ptyalin is the salivary amylase. So ptyalin act on carbohydrate. Trypsin is a pancreatic protein digestive enzyme, act on pancreatic protein act on protein, pancreatic enzyme. Okay, then pepsin is stomach enzyme that act on protein. Okay, lipase, pancreatic enzyme and that act on lipid. Okay, and eruption is a protein digestive enzyme. Eruption it has this ileum enzyme. Ileum means small part of the small intestine. Ileum secreted enzyme is a protein digestive enzyme. Clear? And nuclease is a pancreatic enzyme that act on nucleic acid. Okay, nucleotidase is a intestinal juice enzyme. Intestinal juice enzyme that convert on nucleotide to nucleic acid. Nucleotide. Okay, so here the tyrosine. So proteolytic enzyme is eruption, trypsin and pepsin. This is the correct option. Next question, 10 number. Bile salts act as activator of the enzyme. Bile salts mean that come from gallbladder. The component of bile salt is sodium glycolate and sodium taurocolate. These activate in lipase enzyme that convert lipid into fatty acid and glycerol, simpler form. And pepsinogen that secrete from this is the inactivated enzyme that secrete from the chief cell of the stomach that convert protein into peptone. Trypsinogen is a protein digestive enzyme that secrete from the inactive form from pancreas. And pancreatic amylase also a carbohydrate digestive enzyme that secrete from pancreas. The gastric juice that secrete from stomach. Okay, so in case of stomach, there is renin enzyme, hydrochloric acid, pepsin enzyme are secrete. So pepsin, renin and lipase. Pepsin, renin because amylase secrete from pancreas, small intestine. Trypsin also from small intestine. Trypsin, pepsin, renin. Here the correct option is pepsin and renin. And lipase, small amount of lipase is secreted from a small stomach. Small amount. Next question, what is digestion? Digestion means the conversion of complex food substance into simple absorbable food. Okay, digestion means digestion means breakdown of, say for example, protein digested into peptide convert into amino acid. Okay, the amino acid is the absorbable form. So another example, carbohydrate or polysaccharide ultimately convert into monosaccharide. Monosaccharide is absorbable form. Another example is lipid digested into fatty acid. Fatty acid is the absorbable form, fatty acid and glycerol. So these are absorbable form and these are non-absorbable form that digested in our digestive system. So here the correct option is D. Next question. A baby boy aged 3 years admitted to a play school and passes through a dental checkup. The dentist observed that the boy had 20 teeth. Which teeth are absent? Were absent? Here the molar teeth are absent. In case of child, they are incisor 2, canine incisor 2. There is incisor 2, canine 1, premolar 2 and premolar 2. Molar is absent. So 8 incisor and 4 canine and 8 premolar, and molar is absent. Molar. Okay, this is a milk teeth. Next question 14. What is frenulum? Frenulum, adenoid present on pharyngeal wall knot. Tonsil found lateral wall of the soft plate knot. Tonsil present. This is the tonsil. This is tonsil. This is tonsil. V-shaped sulcus dividing tongue into pharyngeal and oral parts. Knot. This is the fold attaching tongue to the oral cavity. This layer is called lingual frenulum, and this layer is called frenulum, labium frenulum. What is the function of frenulum? Frenulum joined two different organs. The lip joined to the jaw or gum. Lip joined to the gum, and tongue joined to the floor of the mouth. Okay, frenulum. Next question. What is chyme? Food mixed with saliva, food mixed with gastric secretion, food mixed with pancreatic enzyme, and food mixed with intestinal enzymes. So chyme is the food plus gastric secretion. Food mixed with gastric secretion. Because what is gastric secretion? Gastric secretion in stomach, hydrochloric acid is secreted. Hydrochloric acid activates pepsinogen into pepsin and renin. Okay, this is a component of gastric secretion, and food mixed with gastric is called chyme. In the GIT means gastrointestinal tract. The various layers are organized from outward to the inward. The outer layer of the gastrointestinal tract is serosa layer. Then inner layer is muscularis layer. Then next layer is submucosa layer. Then next layer is the mucosa layer, where the mucus are secrete. So this is the mucus layer. Mucus, innermost layer. Okay, this is the submucosa layer. Submucosa, alkaline fluid secretion. This is the muscularis layer, where circular and longitudinal muscles are present. This is serosa layer. Serosa, outermost layer. So first our serosa layer, then muscularis layer, then submucosa layer, then mucus layer. This is the sequence of alimentary canal layer. Number 17 is succus entericus. Succus entericus is swollen. Succus entericus means intestinal juice. Intestinal juice. So what is the component of intestinal juice? Secrete from pancreas. Pancreatic secretion. pancreas से सीक्रेट होता है ट्रिप्सिनोजेन, काइमोट्रिप्सिनोजेन, एमाइलेज, लाइपेज. Okay. Then pancreas, bile duct. From bile duct secrete bile salts. Bile salts. Then alkaline secretion. That means alkaline solution with mucus. Okay. This neutralizes the acidic environment of the stomach. So it is the intestinal juice. Which set of organs and histological structure are present in correct storage? Stomach, goblet cell, Brunner's gland and zymogen. Stomach, goblet cell, Brunner's gland and zymogen. And intestine, goblet cell, crypts of Lubercune, crypts of Lubercune, and Brunner's gland. Lungs, vocal sacs, bronchioles and bronchus. Lung, kidney, glomerulus, alveoli, loops apparently. The goblet cell is present all the portion of the intestinal, all the portion of the alimentary canal, stomach, small intestine, etc. So what is the function of, here the correct option is goblet cell, crypts of Lubercune and Brunner's gland. So here the B option is correct. So what is the function of goblet cell? Goblet cell secrete mucus. Crypts of Lubercune, crypts of Lubercune secretes alkaline fluid with mucus. Alkaline fluid with mucus. Mucus plus antibacterial lysozyme. Clear? And Brunner's gland secrete, it also secrete alkaline fluid with mucus. Alkaline fluid with mucus. Bronchial bronchus, lungs present, but in case of vocal sacs are present in frog. In case of human being, vocal air sac is present. In case of human being, air sacs are present. In case of kidney, alveoli present in lungs. Glomerulus and loop apparently present in kidney. Intestine, goblet cell, crypts of Lubercune, Brunner's gland present. In stomach, Brunner's gland, zymogen is present, goblet cell is present, but Brunner's gland is present in small intestine. So here is the correct option is intestine, goblet cell, crypts of Lubercune and Brunner's gland. Next question. The diagram given below is a duct system of liver. Duct means this is duct, tube-like structure, gallbladder and pancreas. Write the name of duct. This is A. A is a cystic duct. Cystic duct that release from gallbladder. B is the common bile duct. The mixture of this is hepatic duct, right hepatic duct and left hepatic duct, and this is the pancreatic duct. And this is the mixture of hepatopancreatic duct. Clear? And this is the duct of Vater, ampulla of Vater, where this is the common passage in the duodenum of hepatic duct and pancreatic duct. So A is the correct option. Next question, 20 number, which of the following statement is incorrect? कौन सा ऑप्शन करेक्ट नहीं है? Fecal accumulation in the rectum initiates a neural reflex causing an urge causing an urge for its removal. Irregular bowel movement cause constipation. In diarrhea, absorption of food is increased. So here the incorrect option is, in case of diarrhea, absorption of food is not increased, it is decreased. Okay, so release more amount of fluid from digestive tract. Okay, so this irregular movement of bolus movement and fecal accumulation, and fecal means feces come out from the body, is regulated by pelvic parasympathetic nerve, peduncle nerve. This is regulated by peduncle nerve. So our feces system or removal of feces is regulated by peduncle nerve. This nerve is made by sacral 2, 3 and 4. This three peripheral nerve is also accumulatively called peduncle nerve. This is a pelvic parasympathetic nerve. This is also called pelvic parasympathetic nerve. Clear? So the fecal movement, fecal means feces, feces means जो हमारा अनडाइजेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ फूड है वो हमारा बॉडी से बाहर हो जाता है. किस नार्व के प्रेजेंस में वो मूवमेंट करते हैं? दैट इज पेडंटल नर्व, दैट इज सैक्रल 2, 3 एंड 4. So incorrect option is C. Next question, the cause of indigestion. Why indigestion occurs? Digestion is not properly occur in our alimentary canal. What is the major cause? Inadequate enzyme secretion. This is correct option. Anxiety, more stress. That is also food poisoning. So all of the correct option. 25 PAM. PAM stands for protein excess malnutrition. Protein excess malnutrition actually found in kwashiorkor. Protein energy, protein, this is not, this is protein energy malnutrition. Protein energy malnutrition occur in kwashiorkor disease and marasmus disease. So in kwashiorkor protein deficiency occur, but in case of marasmus calorie deficiency occur. Next question is, match the type cell listed under column A and the secretion. So here the cell and this is the secretion of this cell. The peptic cell, first oxyntic cell secrete hydrochloric acid, Gauss cell secrete mucus, peptic cell secrete proenzymes, that is pepsinogen, that in the presence of hydrochloric acid convert into pepsin, then convert protein into peptone. So here the right answer is D, goblet cell, HCl and proenzymes. Next question, bicarbonate ions are released in exchange of chloride ions in ileum. Ileum means the part of small intestine. Small intestine. So where the bicarbonate ions are released in, this is brass border epithelium. Brass border epithelium. In where you can see here the normally क्या होता है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो सेल के अंदर जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्रोड्यूस होता है वो H2O के साथ अटैच होके कार्बोनिक एनहाइड्रेज एंजाइम के प्रेजेंस में वो H2CO3 फॉर्म करते हैं, HTCO3 का बाइकार्बोनेट. ओके, अगेन कार्बोनिक एनहाइड्रेज एंजाइम H प्लस and HCO3 minus. This HCO3 minus enter into the RBC by RBC or anywhere like in the interstitial space occur HCO3 minus exchange with chloride ion. This is called chloride shift. So this function it occur in the brass border epithelium cell. You can see here here carbon dioxide in the duodenal mucosal cell, carbon dioxide in the presence of carbonic anhydride joined with H2O and produce H plus and HCO3 minus. This H plus is exchanged with sodium ion and this HCO3 also exchange, so symport and also show antipode system. Okay, it is released, it is enter with sodium ion, symport system and HCO3 minus, or this is antipode system. And valvuli conventus is the folds in the small intestine that help slow down the passage of food. It is a fold in the small intestine that slow down the passage of food. Clear? So here the last question is, what will happen if the secretion of parietal cell or gastric gland is blocked with the inhibitor? If parietal cell is blocked, so no HCl secretion, so no activation of pepsin, so no protein digestion occur. So in the absence of hydrochloric acid secretion, inactivate the pepsinogen is not converted into active enzyme pepsin, so do not digest the protein in the stomach. So here A is the correct option. So what is enterokinase? Enterokinase is released from brass border epithelium. epithelium of small intestine का जो inner epithelium layer है, that is called brass border epithelium, secrete enterokinase, and enterokinase activate trypsinogen into trypsin, okay, and this activate trypsin, again activate chymotrypsinogen to chymotrypsin. This activate enzyme digest protein into small peptide, a small peptide. Clear? This is the function of enterokinase. Gastric juice will be deficient in chymosin, not gastric juice. What is chymosin? Chymosin also known as renin. This chymosin also known as renin. Renin, the coagulate the milk protein of the infants. In case of adult human, the renin is absent. Okay. Gastric juice will be deficient pepsin. No. Gastric juice is the gastric juice. Gastric juice means the juice from stomach. Here hydrochloric acid present. Here pepsinogen present. Here renin present, and a small amount of lipase present. Clear? This is the component of gastric juice. So here the correct option is A. So this is the end of the part 1 video. The next part 2 is coming very soon. Okay, and the link also add in the description box of this video. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any problem, please comment me on the comment box. So thank you for watching.